Question, ladies, in your closet, do you have a handful of boring, neutral summer bottoms? And do you find yourself wearing them the same exact way, thinking, ugh, I'm so bored with my outfits. I need to go shopping. Hold up. In this video, I am going to share how you can turn any neutral colored bottom, whether pants, shorts, or skirts, into 20 easy, stylish summer outfits using pieces straight from your closet. My style is relaxed affluence. Easy, simple pieces with just a little wink of glam. As with all my style videos, copy the looks directly or use them as inspiration to go into your own closet and create your own unique vibe. Okay, ladies, grab your iced tea and let's do this. Ladies, one of the things that I truly love about summer style is its simplicity. Unlike colder months, warm months really negate the need for tons of styling and layering and different pieces. Instead, simple pieces are glammed up with the use of minimal jewelry, a chic sun hat, and a pair of simple but glam sunglasses. You'll see during this entire video, I use a scantful of minimal accessories over and over again to elevate very basic looks. My personal go-to accessories and things that you may want to consider having as basics for your summer wardrobe. Number one, a sun hat and sunglass duo that you love. I love black for the drama. A black raffia sun hat and black sunglasses. My second favorite for times when I want to lighten up the look is a natural raffia hat and a gold metal sunglass. Number two, I have 3 pairs of shoes that are my standard go-tos. Number one, a rich tan slide, as close to the natural color of your skin tone as possible in order to give you that nice lean long look. Number two, a pair of strappy, barely there metallic sandals. Number three, a sporty pair of chic white sneakers. Always a great go-to. And finally, my bags. I gear toward 2 specific bags for summer. A black crochet bag, and the second is a natural raffia with black trim. Finally, I never take off my layered gold necklace and my gold hoops. These are just standard that I wear all the time, and it pretty much elevates anything that I wear. Starting with our basics, cotton tan pant and a navy ribbed tank. Of course, a black tank is always classic with tan, but I'm showing you navy because it's a little less expected and I want it to not be boring. I promise you've got tan pants and a navy or black tank in your closet, am I right? Look number one, to elevate this basic look, I add a tan leather slide with braided detailing for visual interest, a lightweight white sweater to lighten the look, and a glam pair of gold-rimmed metal sunglasses. Look number two, swap the tan sandal for a textured sandal. These I've had for a while. They're from Todd's and they were quite pricey. I want to say they were, I don't know, $700 or $800. I found another option for you from All Saints at $199. And how cute are these, ladies? I also love these from Ray at $139, simple and chic. Add a white bag to lighten the look and a classic tan raffia sun hat with black banding to tie it all together. Look number three, I love this look. Same tan pant, but now with an off-the-shoulder striped top. This one that I'm showing you, ladies, is $14 on Amazon. If you've already got tan pants, you've now got a whole new look for 14 bucks. I added a barely there metallic sandal, a bold-ish gold necklace. Done. I like the off-the-shoulder look for this striped shirt because it has more of a relaxed, laid-back feel to it. And shoulders are always subtly sexy without being overt. Look number four, add a 2-tone raffia hat and a black raffia bag. Look 5, try a solid black hat and a 2-tone raffia bag with black trim. Side note, ladies, I want to show you my summer vibe for nails and toes. This summer, mocha sandals are totally in, which is really just marketing spin for saying a rich tan sandal is in, but I guess they gotta sell things somehow. To go with that idea and the vibe, I got my nails and toes done this past weekend and I did a mocha skinny French. I chose a tan color similar to my skin tone as the base color, and then I just had him do a skinny French on top. The skinny French is just as it looks and it's very in this year. For the toes, I went a little bit deeper, but still in that same mocha color vibe. I think this looks great for summer, especially with the tan sandal or a metallic strappy. Look 6, swap in a pair of shorts. Remember, we need options. Ladies, the concept with this video is to take any neutral colored bottom, whether it's a pant, a skirt, or a short, and just create different looks depending on your mood, your taste, or the situation. The shorts that I'm wearing here are by Union Bay, $20, tons of colors. Really cute. Look 7, elevate the look by throwing a black cotton jacket over the shoulders. It's still relaxed and sporty, but it's kicked up a touch and more sophisticated. If you're gonna be walking quite a bit or you're just over it with the sandal, throw on a crisp white sneaker. Really sporty, super cute. And notice, ladies, how this jacket completely elevates the sneaker. It's a way to be comfortable, relaxed, but still have a little bit of polish. This is something I'd wear meeting a friend or just bopping around town on the weekend. If you don't like the idea of even a cotton jacket, no worries. A lightweight open cardigan works perfectly too. Your outfit, your choice. Look 8 for a flirty look, and because I love the top, let's be honest, I added a voluminous baby doll style top to the short. Now you can certainly do this with a pant as well. This works because while I am wearing a short that is, well, short, the top is generous, non-form-fitting, very swingy, yet it hits at my hip so it's not too overwhelming. It gives a nice balance to the short. Since the top is definitely a statement, keep the rest minimal with a barely there sandal and simple sunglasses. The top that I'm wearing here, ladies, is by Carolina Constance. I have a lot of her tops. I think they're really pretty. They are pricier, anywhere from maybe the $300 to $500 range, but I have found you a much better priced option. This one is from Michael Kors, off the shoulder, still a generous silhouette, but only $128. The Michael Kors version also is a bit more versatile because you can wear it both tucked and untucked. The Carolina Constance is too voluminous to tuck it in, so you only have one way to wear it. Look 9, keeping the same top idea, swapping in a different pant. I'm wearing a cotton crop pant in navy. These are J. Crew, another one of our neutral colors, and this looks great. Again, keep the shoe barely there because the top is the statement. I'm wearing a metallic sandal, but you could easily do a tan sandal as well. The idea here is to keep the shoe or the footwear as blendable as possible, meaning you don't want to distract from the top. Keeping our navy cotton pant, I've added a long striped button-up shirt. I've rolled up the sleeves, a minimalist tan slide, and finished with my two-tone raffia bag. My bag here, ladies, let me show you. This one is from LM Paris, and it's one of my favorite summertime bags. Now, this is a designer bag. It's about $480. It's well priced for a designer bag, and mark my words, once this brand starts really catching on, the price is going to jack up because that's what they always do. Anyway, I just wanted to show this to you. My mom loves it too. I bought one for her. Look how pretty this raffia is. It's such a good high quality. If this was a brand like a YSL or a Dior, it would be a few $1,000s for sure. That being said, of course, I have 2 much better priced options for you. This is the Hannah Medium Straw Tote by JW Pay, $149. I love this silhouette. It is very reminiscent of a big designer brand. And one other from Vince Camuto for only $133. This is just a chic little hobo that fits neatly under the arm for running around during the day. Look number 11, a simple striped cotton button-up, $24 on Amazon. To style the shirt, I rolled the sleeves, then tied the front in a knot. Then, in order to give it a more polished look, I tuck it under instead of leaving the ties scraggly. A metallic sandal, sunglasses, white bag, done. Look 12, back to our tan pants. I've added a white bodysuit and layered on a cotton striped shirt, this one $28 on Amazon. And then to style it, I've rolled up the sleeves and I left it open for a breezy feel. I'm wearing a tan wedge with this because I wanted a little height, but certainly you can swap it out for any shoe that you like. Look number 13, wear the shirt fully buttoned up for a cleaner, more tailored look. Ladies, I am wearing the bodysuit underneath this just in the interest of time. While I was filming, I didn't feel like taking the bodysuit off. Add a white bag for freshness and you're done. Not feeling the wedge? No problem. Swap it out for a sandal. Look 14, tie the shirt casually around your waist. I love this look too. This gives a cool, laid-back vibe, extra style factor without adding bulk or too much warmth. White bag and a gold metal rimmed sunglass with your go-to hoops. And look how relaxed with just a little glam this looks. So easy to do and such a great go-to everyday look. Look 15, we're working with the same pant and bodysuit. Layer your classic white cotton button-up. I know you've got one of these in your closet. A black raffia bag, and your tan black sun hat. Remember ladies, you can totally swap out the bottoms in virtually anything that I'm showing you for black, white, navy, tan, in a pant, short, or skirt. And rest assured that it'll work perfectly. Look 16, swap in a natural woven tote for a visual and textural element. This one that I'm showing you is by Tod's and it is very pricey at almost $3,700, but I found two much more affordable options with the same vibe that you may be interested in. First, from Eric Javits is his squishy raffia in classic black and tan with horizontal stripes for that visual and textural interest that we're going for. Well priced at under $300, I think it's $296. Or I love this one at $180. I'm gonna show you. The one that I'm showing you is black and tan or tan and black, but this is a neoprene, so it is non-leather. I have it in a fuchsia. I have that exact bag. I bought this at Miraval Resort and Spa when we were there last year, and I use this as a beach bag. It's such a nice quality for $180. You can easily put it under your arm, and it just looks really cute with anything. Add a two-tone hat, and you're golden. Move over. Look 17, it wouldn't be summer without a white short, am I right? Starting with this neutral bottom, and remember it can be a pant or a skirt too. I added a black off-shoulder voluminous top to balance out the shortness of the, well, shorts, a snakeskin summer wedge for a little visual interest, and a black crochet bag. This one that I'm wearing is by YSL, but it's such a basic style and color. There are several very affordable options. Look number 18, glam it up with a hat and chic oversized sunglasses. Look 19, swap in your two-tone bag. Notice how the light colored raffia lightens up the look yet still works with the shoe. Super chic. Final look number 20, wear a two-tone hat with the black bag. Note ladies, I would really advise against wearing a two-tone hat with a two-tone bag. Let me show you. These are different. Even if these were the same raffia color, I wouldn't do this. Now, obviously, it's your outfit, your choice, so if you want to, you can. But in my opinion, this looks way too contrived and matchy-watchy. Instead, I would do one or the other. If you're gonna do the two-tone bag, I would do a solid hat or, well, the two-tone hat with the solid bag. It would be one or the other. And for even more effortless summer looks you're not gonna wanna mix my next video, effortless summer looks we can all wear. Have a great rest of the week, ladies, and I will see you Friday.